Taylor here with Agri Drones. I'm going to show you guys how to pause an operation, go around an obstacle, and then how to pause an operation at the end of the field to continue. So on my screen here, you can see the drone's flying. I'm just going to move my stick to the right or to the left or the back or front or whatever, and that stops the operation. I don't have to switch my manual switch here in the J150. And there you see on my screen, I've got several points that pop up. Return point, and then I've got under the drone, we have our point A, and next to it, point D. So if you're flying around an obstacle, you're going to pull this up. You're going to go around that obstacle. Make sure you're around it. And this works like going over a waterway too that you forgot to map out. Then we're going to hit point A, we're going to hit continue, and it's going to start on the line that it left, and it's just going to skip this little section right there. There you see the drone's getting back online and starting to spray again. Now I mapped into this grass patch up here, and so I'm going to stop the drone again before it gets to that grass patch. I don't want to spray that grass patch. Let's say you forgot to stop, forgot to map that grass patch out. So we're going to pause the operation just with our right stick by pulling back. That stops our spraying. And then I'm going to come over here this direction. We're going to come back to our map screen to see our points. Then right here we can see we've got point A, D, C, B. C and B are at the very far end. We don't want to go there. We want to go to point D, which is right next to the drone coming back this way. So we'll hit continue. And there we can see on the screen, the drone is actually going right next to where it stopped at. We can see that we're actually over those beans right there on our camera. And we didn't have to remap anything. We just edited that live while we were spraying by watching our camera, manipulating our flight path, and just using our sticks and our return points. Really good to actually practice this, to know what return points do what. Pay attention to your screen. Know that if you need to stop the drone, just pull back on that right stick, and there the drone stops, and it hovers, and it's just going to hover hold right there. And you've got full manual control. If you accidentally do that, you can go back to your zoom point, which is actually where it left off from spraying, right there. All right, guys, pretty simple. Make sure you practice this. Knowing what to do and when to do it when the drone's flying with limited battery life is really important. All right, unless you guys have any questions. Thanks.